am Sabu Joni, the Managing Director of EVM Group of Companies. Presently, we have 5 outlets of Nissan. This 3S facility is the second facility in Cochin, which is one of the biggest in the country. We have given more importance to after-sales business. If you look this facility, the parking is one of the key highlighting areas which we have provided in this. Over and above, we have investment in the infrastructures like the tools, special tools, the washing and the manpower also.
Hi, I am Noble. I am heading the after sales operations for EVM Nissan Kalamassery. We at the dealership try our level best to provide a facility which is a very customer friendly culture in the dealership. So all the efforts are taken from our level while making the layout design to recruitment of staff to training of manpower to making our policies within the dealership. We take all our efforts to make sure that our culture is a very customer friendly culture in this dealership. In our present dealership in Kalamassery, we receive almost 85% of our vehicles in service with prior appointment. This is done because of our initiative, proactive initiative that we take by calling the customers and taking appointments. With appointment, able to receive the customers in a much better way. When a customer comes to the service reception, we follow a service advisor tracking sheet, which is maintained for checking whether we are able to immediately attend to all the customers coming. With this tracking sheet in place, now we are able to attend almost all the customers within 2 minutes of their arrival. And our CRM is constantly, almost on a daily basis, she is monitoring to maintain that same level in our dealerships. One extra additional thing that we have done as an initiative from our side is to provide a expected time of delivery, promised delivery time on all repair orders in a prominent seal. List is provided to job controller, washing supervisor and the final inspector. After getting the support from Nissan for organizing it properly so that the parts are all visible, what are the parts available and how is it kept, makes it visible to us so that the same available stock is better utilized by the dealership.
Hi, myself Naibi. I am the AGM service for EVM Nissan. I am heading the operations for 5 branches of EVM Nissan. To improve the workshop load and the quality service, we have implemented one-man PMS in our workshop. One-man PM is a special technique in which one technician is completing the entire service. One-man PM has improved the efficiency of the technician by channelizing in a specific path. The current productivity of one-man PM is 6 vehicles per day. This has a very good replication of our on-time delivery. The next enhancement program which we are carrying out in a dealership is the JPCP. JPCP is nothing but it's a visualized control board for the tracking of the vehicle which is available in the workshop. The important aspect of the service quality is washing and cleanliness of the vehicle. We have implemented foam washing system in our workshop. Foam washing is an advanced washing process in which foam is using instead of soap oil. The advantages of foam washing is it's eco-friendly, it consumes less water and saves time. After implementing the foam washing system, our CSI parameter in the quality of the car serviced has improved from 7.4 to 8.6.
Of course, all work is over, but the customer gives a lot of importance to final cleanliness of the vehicle. To enhance that feeling, we have provided one washing boy at the delivery bay itself, along with delivery. So he waits at the delivery area with a trolley which is filled with car care products, good looking, impressively presented car washing products. So while delivery, if the customer notices a small mark or a fingerprint also on the car, we immediately cleanse it in the presence of the customer for a final touch-up. That excitement what he gets or the appreciation he gives for the effort that we take to give his car with maximum cleanliness is always good factor which has improved our CSI in our operations.